Want to know how to make money online fast? Today we'll explore 10 practical, effective methods that you can start using right away. From freelancing to managing social media, there's a strategy for everyone. Stay tuned as we delve into these 10 ways to make money online fast. First up, freelancing. Imagine being your own boss, leveraging your skills to make money. It's possible with freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are treasure troves of opportunities. So dust off your expertise and dive in. Freelancing can be a quick way to turn your skills into cash. Next, online surveys. A quick way to earn cash online is by filling out surveys. Websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie offer paid surveys on various topics. It's as simple as sharing your opinion and getting paid for it. Online surveys are a simple and fast way to earn money online. Thirdly, affiliate marketing. This involves earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. It's a quick way to make money online as businesses like Amazon offer affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing can lead to passive income with minimal effort. Fourth on the list, selling products online. This method is all about transforming those unused items into a goldmine. Platforms like Etsy or eBay can be your marketplace. Just post your product, set your price, and wait for the sales to start rolling in. Selling products online can turn your clutter into cash. Next up, blogging. A dynamic platform, it's a fast way to make money online. You can monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, advertising, selling products or services, and sponsored posts. Blogging allows you to share your passion and earn money too. Sixth, online tutoring. Got a knack for a particular subject? Why not turn that into a profitable venture? Platforms like Tutor.com or Chegg Tutors allow you to share your expertise and make money. Online tutoring is a great way to share your knowledge and earn money. Seventh, stock photography. If you have a knack for capturing stunning images, you can monetize your passion by selling stock photos. Websites like Shutterstock and Getty Images are great platforms to sell your work. Stock photography can turn your passion for photography into cash. Eighth, social media management. In today's digital age, businesses crave a strong social media presence. By managing their platforms, creating engaging content, and growing their online community, you can turn your knack for social media into a lucrative venture. Social media management allows you to use your social media skills to earn money. Ninth, online gaming. Did you know that your gaming passion can also fill your pockets? Various platforms like Twitch or YouTube Gaming allow gamers to earn by streaming their gameplay or participating in online tournaments. Online gaming can turn your hobby into a money-making venture. Finally, the YouTube channel, a platform where creativity meets opportunity. Start a channel, share your unique content, and monetize it through ads, channel memberships, or merchandise. It's a fast track to turning your passion for video into a steady income stream. A YouTube channel can turn your passion for video into a steady income stream. And there you have it, 10 ways to make money online fast. Whether it's freelancing or gaming, affiliate marketing or vlogging, each method holds immense potential. It's all about finding the right fit for you. Remember, the key to making money online fast is to start now. Good luck!